Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott air suspension compressor for the Land Rover LR3 and LR4 L319 and the Range Rover Sport L320. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by opening the hood to locate the fuse box or battery cover. Remove the fuse box covers and air suspension compressor relay. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Now locate and remove the 3 bolts holding the compressor cover to the vehicle. Next, separate the 5 clips and remove the cover to expose the air suspension compressor. Disconnect the 2 electrical plugs from the vehicle to the compressor. Now remove the air hose at the front of the compressor by pushing in the quick connect fitting and pulling out the air hose. Also remove the 2 air hoses at the back of the compressor by pushing in the quick connect fittings and pulling out the air hoses. Locate and remove the 3 bolts holding the compressor bracket assembly to the vehicle, and remember to save these bolts for reinstallation. Now remove the compressor bracket assembly from the vehicle. To complete the removal, remove the J-shaped hose from the distribution block. During the installation process, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications. Using a suitable pipe cutter tool, cut the air suspension feed pipe in the position indicated. Now grease and install the ferrule onto the existing hose. Install the new air fitting that is supplied with the kit into the distribution block and tighten to 2 Nm. Next, install the supplied air lines onto the air hose toward the back of the compressor mounting area. Now install the top half of the protective cover into place. Install the new Arnott compressor bracket assembly onto the vehicle using the supplied hardware. Install the exhaust air hose into the quick connect on the side of the compressor. Remove the 2 shipping pins, one on the compressor and one on the distribution block. Also install the new J-shaped hose provided with the kit. Remove and dispose of the shipping pin and insert the hose into the fitting and press until firmly seated. Now connect the 2 electrical plugs from the compressor to the vehicle and secure them back in place. Clip the bottom half of the plastic cover to the top half and secure it with the 3 provided screws. Now it's time to lower the vehicle and replace the relay with one provided in the kit. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing an air suspension compressor for the Discovery L3, L4, or Range Rover Sport with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.